Is your YouTube app on your smart TV acting like it's stuck in the dial-up era? Let's get you back to binge-watching bliss in just a few simple steps. First up, the classic tech remedy: the power cycle. Unplug your smart TV from the wall outlet. Wait a full 60 seconds. This clears the TV's temporary memory and often resolves minor glitches. Then, plug it back in and power it on. Check if YouTube is working now. If a simple restart didn't cut it, let's ensure your YouTube app is up to date. Navigate to the App Store on your smart TV. It might be called something like Apps, Google Play Store, or Samsung Apps. Find the YouTube app and see if there's an update button. If so, hit it. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of problems. Next, let's confirm your internet connection is strong and stable. Open your TV settings menu and find the network settings. Run a network speed test. If your speed is slow, try restarting your router just like the TV. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Still no luck? Time for the big guns. Uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. Go back to the App Store, find YouTube, and select uninstall or remove once it's gone. Search for it again and reinstall it. This is like giving the app a fresh start. Hopefully, one of these steps has brought your YouTube back to life. If you're still having trouble, consider checking YouTube's Help Center or contacting your TV manufacturer for more specific support. Happy watching!